invisibility potion. 1 drop gives you 1 hour of full invisibility. After the hour wears off, you become visible again. So I'm gonna let you all watch the video, and hopefully I'll be invisible by the end. Making it an old jar. You'll need. You don't care. I don't care what size it is, but it just has to be a jar. It has to have a lid or a cork. Water, because we're gonna age it too. We're gonna age it. Paints. I'm going to use Artist Loft paint and Simply acrylic. I'm probably going a little too fast, but Artist Loft is simply acrylic. One is burnt Sonara, and black. So if you mix those two together, it gets a nice kind of age to it. So we're gonna use those. I didn't bring a paper towel, but you're gonna need a paper. Oh wait, no, I have a paper towel. Oh, forgot I had this. Here we go. Right, that fell. That's right. All right, you're also gonna need a paintbrush. It doesn't matter what size. Okay. So first off, we're gonna age it. You're going to take a little bit of your brown, put it right here. You don't need a lot because we're not going to paint the entire thing. So, you just dab slightly with the brown, then do this. Just like paint it uncontrollably, just like all over you. Swoosh it like this. Just swooshy, swooshy. Get the bottom too a little bit. Won't hurt a thing. Maybe I should uncap this first. Uncap your bottles before you do anything. I'm gonna stick my hand in there. Just like swoosh that all around. My paint dries pretty quickly, so wait to make this look agey. Besides all, another paper towel. Kind of like rumple it. Just like kind of rub it a little bit. If you can't get like a little bit of it off. So it has like specks. It's like specks of dirt a little bit. You see it there. Now we take a little bit of the black and dab the slightest amount. Because this part we're not going to need a lot of either. It's already dry. Paint dries fast. Right. A little bit of the black. Certain areas. Age it. Take the paper towel again. There we go. Now it's all dry still. Looks a little agey. Wait, I need to get the brown. Just keep wiping it. You're loud. Just keep wiping it like so until you get the amount of agedness you want. This is pretty good. For the list, since it's gold, I'm just gonna paint it all brown. This one's gonna take a little longer to dry. Oof, that covers nicely though. Very nice, very nice. If you have spray paint, you can do that too. There you go. Nice and brown. You take a little bit of that black and sweep that in there. Oh wow, it's a little too much. There we go. And it gives it that kind of like grainy wood look to it. So it looks all fancy and old, like in Harry Potter. There we go. Don't dab the lid because you can't dab it. You can dab when it's all dry. That'll be it. So get these two things down. Alright, the next thing you will need to do is make your label. So first, we need a label. Accio label. Sweet! Okay, okay, we got this. Alright, so label. Next thing you will need is packing tape. Accio packing tape. Sweet! Alright, so we got packing tape. The next thing is a little bigger. So the next thing you're going to need is water, which I'm not going to show because it's in a big bucket. So we have our label, we have our tape, we have water somewhere else. You're going to take your label, and then you're going to put a piece of tape right over it. Nothing too fancy. Need some scissors. Cut the tape. Where'd it go? There's the tape. Tape's invisible. And then you're going to need to cut it down to size. Sweet. Alright. It's all nicely cut down to size. Next thing you'll need to do is Accio card. Yay! Alright, so now we're just going to need to smooth this out. After you think you've done it for about 2 minutes, it's time to put it in the water. Accio water. Alrighty. In there. Accio label. I did it. Just gonna push that in there. I made this one, so it's fine. It's not plastic. Just make sure it stays in there. I want to say for roughly 5 minutes. Just gotta stay underwater. Alright, so we let it sit. And after this, we in the water one last time. We just start scraping it off. Scraped off all the stuff that I possibly can get. Oh wait, I forgot some. There we go. Alright. There we go, it's a little faded. It makes it seem a little bit more invisible. After this is completely dry, no, I'm going to do it right now. We're just going to trim it a little bit so we don't see everything that we don't want to see. We just kind of trim it around the edge. Then we just wait for this. Wait for it to dry, so it will be sticky, because once it comes out of the water, it will be sticky again as soon as you let it dry. Alright, so we're just gonna mix that all together. This is just the blue. Ooh, that's so great. Now we're going to add Z Pink. Let's see how Z Pink goes. Hello, Freaky. Guys, we did it. It's the exact color we needed. Alright, I'm so proud of myself. Not too loud horn, but toot toot. Alright, so we got our potion. It's all set. Gotta stir a little bit more. Make sure it's all good. Look at that. It's pretty. It actually looks a little bit blue on camera, but it's like purple. It's a good purple. Ding ding ding. I have an announcement. Alright. Now, since our lid is dry, we're just gonna need to carefully. I keep saying that a lot. That's because you have to be very careful. Wow, the was on. Alright. Have our our invisibility potion. Yay! That's pink. Our label is invisible. Invisibility, 1 drop for every hour. I made this myself. I'm very proud of it. Alright. We're gonna take this, stick it right on the front. It's not the best looking label, but it's It's on there. It's the invisibility potion. I'm gonna go over it with Sharpie so that way it's truly noticeable. There we go.